Do you hate all white people?
I don't think it's a fair question. The white man doesn't even come into my attitude. Mr. Muhammad teaches us to love our own kind and let the white man take care of himself. For a white man today, sir, after kidnapping millions of black people from Africa, stripping them of all human characteristics and relegating them to the role of chattel or cattle or animals, commodity, merchandise that could be bought and sold at will, and then 100 years since the Emancipation Proclamation, using every type of deceptive method to further us into slavery, called second-class citizenship, I think that it would take a whole lot of nerve for white people today to ask Negroes, do they hate them?
Africa, from the words UMANUFORØ and AGBARAIKE. The name Africa was given to the regions as the Ostia knew and understood the world at the time regarding the name Africa. Before the emancipation, regarding the Oshitas, about 300 BK, Europe, Ag-frika, Asia Minor, and in the area were known as Ouwarre, the middle block as regarding the 3 blocks regarding the world according to the handed down history. Looking at the world map as shown below, one comes to the understanding that the ancient Igbos had good knowledge regarding the world. The description regarding the world according to the handed down history through the generation from CHINYERE, UMANUFORØ, the Doro, UKANEM, UCHAM, the Igbo referring Ouwarre to the present.